Want to learn how to make $1,000 a day using ChatGPT and a free AI tool, even if you're a total beginner? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up a proven automated system that generates income, no matter your experience level. Stick around because this could change everything for you. This method is designed for anyone, whether you're tech savvy or not. You don't need a fancy computer or a big budget. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI tools to create automated funnels, emails, and posts that drive traffic and earn you passive income. Let's get started. If you want free access to my tools, templates, and live Zoom calls, here's all you have to do. Like this video to support the channel. Comment below with "I'm ready." Subscribe and turn on notifications. Once you've done that, I'll send you everything you need to get started. Step 1. Grab the tool. First, we'll use a free trial for a tool called HighLevel. It's an all-in-one platform for building funnels and automations. Don't worry if this isn't the right tool for you. There are over 400 others you can use, and I'll share the full list with you in my free checklist. To follow along, just click the link in the description to start your free trial. Step 2. Import the snapshot. Next, we'll load a snapshot into your account. Think of this as a ready-made system. It includes pre-built funnels, automated emails, and landing pages. You just need to click Import, and everything will be set up for you. Step 3. Customize your funnel. Here's where you make the system your own. Add your affiliate link or service details into the funnel. Whether you're promoting HighLevel, a different tool, or even your own products, this system works. The key is to use a proven funnel that's already driving results. Step 4. Drive traffic with ChatGPT. Finally, let's use AI to generate content that drives traffic to your funnel. ChatGPT can help you write engaging social media posts, create video scripts, draft email campaigns. For example, you can find trending content in your niche, plug it into ChatGPT, and get a tailored version to post. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Here's a quick tip. Repurpose content from platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Use ChatGPT to analyze what's working and regenerate it for your audience. This saves time and keeps your posts performing well. Send traffic to your affiliate links or digital products using the pre-built funnels. You can easily earn recurring commissions when people sign up. You can also offer this system as a service to influencers or businesses. Many creators have followers, but no strategy to monetize their audience. By setting up a funnel for them, you can help them make money and earn commissions or fees in the process. To get started today, here's what you need to do. Like this video to show your support. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials and live training sessions. And don't forget to download the free checklist from the link in the description. It includes everything you need to succeed. This system has already helped me generate over $74,000 in affiliate earnings, and I'm confident it can work for you too. Remember, it's all about taking the first step. Join our next live Zoom call for even more tips. Until next time, happy money making.